Hey, what's going on everyone? In this video, we'll be talking about the upcoming Realme C15. We will tell you about the expected price and the specification of this phone. So a lot to know, a lot to discuss. My name is Sobik. Welcome to Phone Politics. Let's get started. Realme C15 has been spotted on the company's India support page hinting that it could be launched in India really soon. The phone that belongs to the Realme's budget C series has already made its debut in Indonesia. While there is no information about the RAM and the storage configuration that will make their way to India. The phone is being offered in 3 variants in Indonesia. The Realme C15 is powered by octa-core MediaTek processor and packed a quad rear camera setup. Now let's talk about the expected specifications of Realme C15. Realme C15 is a dual SIM smartphone and it sports a 6.5-inch display with 88.7% screen to body ratio. The display is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass and the phone runs on Android 10 with Realme UI on the top. Under the hood, the device is equipped with octa-core MediaTek Helio G35 mobile platform. For photography, the Realme C15 comes with a quad rear camera setup. There is a 13 megapixel primary image sensor, an 8 megapixel sensor with an ultra wide angle lens, 2 megapixel black and white sensor and another 2 megapixel sensor. For selfies, the phone comes with an 8 megapixel front shooter. The phone also packs a 3.5mm headphone jack, a micro USB port and a 6000 mAh battery with 18 watt fast charging support. A fingerprint sensor can be found on the back side of the device. Now let's talk about the expected price of Realme C15. As mentioned, the Realme C15 has 3 variants in Indonesia. The 3GB plus 64GB variant is priced at IDR 20 lakh, which is roughly 10,300 Indian rupees. The 4GB plus 64GB variant is priced at IDR 22 lakh, which is roughly 11,300 Indian rupees. And the 4GB plus 120GB variant is priced at IDR 25 lakh, which is roughly 12,800 Indian rupees. The smartphone is being offered in marine blue and seagull silver color options. There is no information about the smartphone on the Indian support page of Realme website. So that is all we have got for this phone so far. We will let you know more about it when we get something. For now, just subscribe to Phone Politics for more information about Realme and other phones. So that is all for today's video. Please let me know if you have any questions regarding Realme C15 in the comment section below. If you find this video useful, then don't forget to hit the like button. And please support us by subscribing to Phone Politics. Also follow us on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. The links are in the description. So see you guys in the next video. Peace out.